In this video, I will tell you about the amazing health benefits of cabbage and how to use it to improve your overall health. Cabbage, despite its unassuming appearance, is widely recognized as one of the vegetables with the highest nutrient density. Being one of the healthiest vegetables you can include in your diet, cabbage is exceptionally rich in a variety of nutrients, including vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Cabbage has a wide range of beneficial effects on health, including enhancing one's immune system and contributing to the maintenance of healthy skin. In addition to being an excellent source of fiber, vitamin K, and vitamin C, it may also assist in lowering the risk of developing diabetes, cancer, and cardiovascular disease. Cabbage is a food that is low in calories and can help you feel full for a longer period of time. This can be helpful if you are trying to lose weight. All in all, cabbage is an excellent option to include in your diet if you are looking for a nutrient-dense vegetable. An introduction to cabbage. The cabbage is a member of the cruciferous vegetable family, which also includes broccoli, kale, Brussels sprouts, and several other types of vegetables. Cabbage is a hearty, leafy vegetable that has a flavor that is both rich and versatile. It has been praised for its health benefits for a very long time. Cabbage is an excellent source of nutrients, including vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, all of which contribute to the numerous positive effects it has on one's health. Cabbage is also a magnificent option for shoppers who are concerned about their finances because it is not only inexpensive but also simple to cultivate and can be kept fresh for up to half a year if it is stored correctly. It is most commonly consumed raw, either in salads or as a crunchy accompaniment to other dishes. However, it is also capable of being steamed, sautéed, or fermented in the kitchen. When selecting cabbage, look for heads that are a deep green color, are smooth and uncracked, and feel heavy for their size. The positive effects of cabbage on one's diet. The high vitamin C content of cabbage is the characteristic for which it is most famous. Shredded raw cabbage has 71 milligrams of vitamin C per cup, which is equivalent to approximately 116% of the daily vitamin C intake that is recommended. Vitamin C is not only an effective anti-inflammatory but also a potent antioxidant that can protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. In addition to being rich in fiber, cabbage is also an excellent source of manganese, copper, vitamin K, and vitamin B6. Because it is low in calories and does not contain any fat, cabbage is an excellent food option for individuals who are attempting to reduce their body fat percentage. In addition, cabbage is an excellent source of many different minerals, such as potassium, iron, and magnesium. Here's the list of top 8 health benefits of cabbage. Cabbage boosts immune system. It has been demonstrated that the component known as sulforaphane, which is found in cruciferous vegetables like cabbage, helps to strengthen the immune system. Not only that, but in addition, these vegetables are loaded with various antioxidants as well as vitamin C. Consuming a diet rich in cruciferous vegetables can assist in maintaining a robust and healthy immune system. In addition, they can be prepared quickly and easily, making them an ideal food choice for people who lead active lifestyles. Cabbage improves digestion. Because cabbage has a high fiber content, eating it as part of a healthy diet can improve one's ability to digest food more effectively. In addition to this, it can assist in relieving constipation and maintaining the health of your digestive system. Also, incorporating cabbage into your diet is incredibly simple. You can shred it and use it to give salads a satisfying crunch, or you can simply fry it to make a mouth-watering side dish. Cabbage promotes healthy skin. Vitamin C plays an important role in the formation of collagen, which is essential for healthy skin. When included in a diet that is otherwise healthy, cabbage, which is particularly rich in vitamin C, can help promote healthy skin. Because cabbage is rich in antioxidants and can help reduce inflammation, eating it can be an effective way to shield your skin from the damaging effects of sun exposure. In addition, cabbage contains a high concentration of lactic acid, a substance that removes dead skin cells from the surface of the skin and encourages the development of new cells, both of which contribute to a more youthful appearance. Including cabbage in your diet, either raw or cooked, is a great way to increase the amount of vitamin C you take in on a daily basis, which can help you maintain healthy skin and a radiant complexion. Cabbage reduces the likelihood of developing heart disease. Cabbage contains a high concentration of anthocyanins, which reduce the likelihood of developing heart disease by inhibiting platelet aggregation, which is an indicator of the likelihood of developing heart disease. Cabbage helps with weight loss. Because it contains so few calories, cabbage is an excellent choice as a diet food for people who are trying to reduce their body fat percentage. It also contains a high amount of dietary fiber, which can make you feel fuller for a longer period of time and regulate the levels of sugar in your blood. Cabbage prevents cancer. As a result of their high vitamin and mineral content, cruciferous vegetables, such as cabbage, have been shown to reduce the risk of developing a number of different types of cancer. Eating more cabbage can be a simple way to ensure that your body is getting the nutrients it needs and to reduce the risk of developing cancer. Cabbage is rich in sulforaphane, an antioxidant that has been linked to a reduction in the risk of developing certain types of cancer cells. Cabbage improves bone health. Vitamin K, which is found in abundance in cabbage, is essential to maintaining healthy bones and can help improve bone health. A lack of vitamin K has been associated with an increased likelihood of developing osteoporosis. Did you know that the daily recommended amount of vitamin K can be obtained from just 1 cup of cabbage? Cabbage controls blood sugar levels. Chromium, which is abundant in cabbage, is known to play a role in controlling blood sugar levels due to the vegetable's high chromium content. Not only is it low in calories, but it also aids in maintaining a healthy balance of sugar in your blood by facilitating insulin's work in the body more effectively. People who have diabetes or who are at risk for developing diabetes may benefit from this. In addition, this vegetable has a high fiber content, which can help to slow down digestion and the release of sugar into the bloodstream, resulting in a more gradual absorption of the sugar. Consuming cabbage on a regular basis is one simple step you can take to guard against spikes in your blood sugar levels. Cabbage and allergies. Cabbage is a nutritious food, but just like any other food, it has the potential to trigger allergic reactions in some people. People who have previously experienced an allergy to cabbage should abstain from eating cabbage as well as any of its close relatives, which include broccoli, Brussels sprouts, and kale. Because cabbage is known to cause an increase in stomach acid, individuals who suffer from stomach ulcers should refrain from consuming it. Overall, cabbage is a versatile vegetable that can be enjoyed as a side dish, as an ingredient in a salad, or as the star of the show in a flavorful soup. It is also an affordable vegetable that is high in nutrients. There is no valid excuse for excluding cabbage from your diet given the extensive number of positive effects it has on one's health. Conclusion. Cabbage, despite its unassuming appearance, is widely recognized as one of the vegetables with the highest nutrient density. Cabbage is exceptionally rich in a variety of nutrients, including vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Cabbage has a wide range of beneficial effects on health, including enhancing one's immune system and contributing to the maintenance of healthy skin. In addition to being an excellent source of fiber, vitamin K, and vitamin C, it may also assist in lowering the risk of developing diabetes, cancer, and cardiovascular disease. Cabbage is a food that is low in calories and can help you feel full for a longer period of time. This can be helpful if you are trying to lose weight. In conclusion, cabbage is an excellent option to include in your diet if you are looking for a nutrient-dense vegetable. I hope this video gave you a better understanding of the numerous health benefits of cabbage and its health-promoting benefits. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to comment. If you liked the video, please hit the like button, and if you want more videos on nutrition and health, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on any future videos.